Dear friends, this video describes about what does the construction equipment skill do. The construction equipment skill refers to the knowledge and abilities required to effectively operate, maintain, and manage various types of machinery used in construction. These skills are critical for ensuring projects are completed efficiently, safely, and in compliance with industry standards. Here are the key aspects of the construction equipment skill. 1. Operation skills. A proficient machine operation. Being able to control heavy equipment like excavators, bulldozers, cranes, loaders, and graders. This includes starting, stopping, maneuvering, and using attachments for specific tasks. B. Understanding equipment controls. Operators must know how to use levers, joysticks, foot pedals, and other controls to manipulate the machine safely and accurately. C. Site awareness. Knowing how to navigate the worksite, avoid hazards, and ensure proper use of equipment within the boundaries of the job site. 2. Maintenance and troubleshooting. A. Basic maintenance. Performing regular checks and basic maintenance such as lubrication, checking fluid levels, cleaning, and replacing filters. C. Problem diagnosis. Being able to identify mechanical issues, diagnose malfunctions, and understand when to call in professional service or repair technicians. D. Familiarity with ECUs. With modern construction equipment relying on electronic control units, ECUs, operators must understand diagnostic software and sensors to monitor performance. 3. Safety protocols. Adherence to safety guidelines. Following standard safety protocols such as wearing PPE, using seatbelts, and being aware of potential hazards. B. Equipment safety features. Understanding and using safety features like emergency stop buttons, backup cameras, and warning alarms. C. Knowledge of load limits. Ensuring safe load capacities are respected to prevent accidents, equipment damage, or structural failure. 4. Reading and interpreting plans. A. Blueprint reading. Understanding construction blueprints and site plans to determine the correct placement and use of machinery. B. Execution of grading and excavation plans. Operating equipment to follow precise grading, trenching, and excavation specifications. 5. Adaptability and versatility. Use of various machines. Skilled operators may be proficient with multiple types of equipment, such as transitioning from an excavator to a skid steer or forklift as needed. B. Attachment handling. Knowing how to switch between attachments, buckets, hammers, augers, etc., for different tasks, increasing versatility on the job. 6. Coordination and communication. A. Team communication. Effectively communicating with other workers, site managers, and spotters to ensure coordinated and efficient use of equipment on the worksite. B. Use of signals. Employing hand signals, radios, or other communication tools to guide operations, especially in confined or challenging spaces. 7. Efficiency and productivity. A. Time management. Optimizing the use of machinery to reduce idle time and increase project efficiency. B. Fuel and resource management. Using machinery in a fuel-efficient manner to minimize costs and environmental impact. 8. Technology integration. A. Telematics and GPS. Understanding how to use telematics systems for tracking equipment performance and applying GPS for precision tasks like grading and excavation. B. Automation and remote control. For advanced equipment, operators might use remote control systems or semi-autonomous features for safer, more accurate operations. 9. Compliance with regulations. Adhering to regulations. Ensuring equipment use complies with local, state, and federal regulations, including environmental laws and safety standards. B. Certification requirements. Being certified to operate specific types of machinery, as required by certain jobs or regions. 10. Problem solving. Troubleshooting in the field. When issues arise, skilled operators are capable of quickly diagnosing and addressing problems to avoid project delays. B. Adjusting for unforeseen conditions. Reacting to changes in site conditions, such as weather or ground instability, to safely continue operations. Benefits of strong construction equipment skills. A. Increased safety. Proper operation minimizes accidents and injuries. B. A higher productivity. Efficient use of equipment speeds up project timelines. C. Cost savings. Reducing downtime, extending machine life, and preventing costly repairs or replacements through good operation and maintenance. D. A job versatility. Proficient operators can work on various projects, increasing employability. For someone like you, with experience as a field service engineer and knowledge of ECUs, these skills are particularly useful, as they enable you to maintain and troubleshoot the advanced systems in modern machinery. Friends, we talked about construction skill in this video. Please use the comment box to share more information on the suggested topic for a plant and equipment engineer. We guarantee a 100% positive video upload on that subject. Please subscribe to our free YouTube channel, Inframechanizer.